ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वति नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणम् तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम् सारवद्विश्वतो मुखम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च श्रोत्रम् श्रोत्रविदो विदुः।
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च श्रोत्रं श्रोत्रविदो विदुः
उक्तानुक्तदुरुक्तानां चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
उक्तानुक्तदुरुक्तानां चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
तं ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं प्राहुः वार्तिकज्ञा मनीषिणः।
तं ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं प्राहुः वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः
प्रत्यया शिवसूत्राणि आदेशा आगमस्तथा
प्रत्यया शिवसूत्राणि आदेशागमास्तथा
पाठो गणपाठ उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः।
धातुपाठो गणपाठः उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः
अथ तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः।
तत्तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः
प्रत्ययः
प्रत्ययः
परश्च
परश्च
आद्युदातश्च
आद्युदात्तश्च
अनुदातौ सुप्तितौ
उदात्तौ सुप्तौ
गुप्तचिकिद्भ्यः सन्
गुप्तिचिकिद्भ्यः सन्
मान् बददांशान्भ्यो दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
मां भददांशभ्यो दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
धातो कर्मणसमानकर्तृकादिच्छायां वा
धातोर्कर्मणः समानकर्तृकादिच्छायां वा
सुप आत्मनक्यच
उप आत्मनः क्यच
काम्यच्च
काम्यच्च
उपमानादाचारे
अमानादाचारे
अधिकरणाचेति वक्तव्यम्
अधिकरणाच्चेति वक्तव्यम्
कर्तुक्यं सलोपश्च
कर्तुः किं स लोपश्च
सर्वप्रातिपदिकेभ्यः कृत्वा वक्तव्यः।
सर्वप्रातिपदिकेभ्यः क्विद्वा वक्तव्यः
वृषादिभ्यो भुव्यच्छ्वे लोपश्च हलः
वृषादिभ्यो भूयोच्चुर्लोपश्च हलः
लोकितादिराज्ञक्ष्यश
लोहितादिराज्ञः क्यश
कष्टाय क्रमणे
कष्टाय क्रमणे
कर्मणो रोमन्थतपोभ्यां वर्तिचरोः
कर्मणो रोमन्थतपोभ्यां वर्तिचरोः
बाष्पोष्मभ्यामुद्भमने
बाष्पोष्मभ्यामुद्वमने
शब्दवैरकलहाप्रकण्डमेघेभ्यः
शब्दवीरकलहामृकन्विगेभ्यः करणे
सुखादिभ्यः कर्तृवेदनायाम्
सुखाभ्यः कर्तृवेदनायां
नमो वरिवश्चित्रहत्यश
नमो वरिवश्चित्रज्ञः क्यच
उच्छवाण्डचीवराणिम्
उच्चभाण्डचीवराणिं
मुण्डमिश्रश्लक्ष्णलवनाव्रतवस्त्रालकलकृततुस्तेभ्यो निच
मुण्डमिश्रश्लक्षणलवणव्रतवस्त्रहलकालकृततोस्तेभ्यो निच
धातो रेखाचोर्हलारेख्रिया समविहारेयम्
धातुरेकाचोहादिः क्रियासमाभिहारेयम्
नित्यम् कौटिल्ये गतौ
नित्यं कौटिल्ये यतौ
लुपसदचरजपजपदगदशगृभ्यो भावगर्हाय
उपत्सदचरजपजभदः दशघ्रेभ्यो भावगर्हायाम्
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणातुलशोकफेनालोमत्वचमर्मवर्णचूर्णचुरादिभ्यो निश
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणातुलिश्लोकसेनालोमत्वा च वर्मवर्णचूर्णचूरादिभ्यो निच
हेतुमति च
हेतुमति च
खण्ड्वादिभ्यो यक्
खण्ड्वाद्भ्यो यक्
गुपूधूपविचिपनिपनिभ्यायः
गुपोधुपविक्षिपणिपनिभ्यायः
ऋतेरीयम्
ऋतेरीयं
कमेर्निङ्
कमेर्णिं
आयादयार्धधातुके वा
अयादायार्धधातुके वा
तनादिन्ता धातवः
नाद्यन्ता धातवः
चितासीर्लुतोः
स्यास्तासीर्लृतोः
सिद्धगुलम् लेति
सिद्बहुलं लेटि
कास्प्रत्ययादाममन्त्रे लिटि
कास्प्रत्ययादामामन्त्रे लेटि
विजादेश्च गुरुमतो नृच्छः
इजादेश्च गुरुमतो नृच्छः
दयायासश्च
तयायासश्च
उषविदजागृभ्यो नितरस्याम्
उषविदजागृभ्यो न्यतरस्याम्
दीहे भृगुवां श्लवच्च
बिहुरिभृगुवां श्लुवच्छ
पृच्छानुप्रयुज्यते लिटि
पुंचानुप्रयुञ्जते लुटे
इदां कुर्वत्वित्यन्यसरस्याम्
इदां कुर्वन्त्यत्यन्यतरस्याम्
कुर्वन्त्वित्यन्यतरस्याम् इदां कुर्वन्त्वित्यन्यतरस्याम् इदां कुर्वन्त्वित्यन्यतरस्याम्
इदां कुर्वन्त्यन्यतरस्याम्
इदां कुर्वन्त् इदां कुर्वन्त्वित्यन्यतरस्याम् अभ्युत्सादयां प्रजनयां चिकयां रमयाम कफ्पावयां क्रिया विरामखण्डिति छन्दसि
अभ्युत्सादयं प्रजनयं चिकयां रमयामकः पावयां क्रियाद्विदामक्रमिति छन्दसि
श्लीलुङि
श्लीलुङि
श्लेकेशि च
श्लेहसि च
शल इकुपधादनिटक्सः
शलायिकुपदानिटः क्षः
शश आलिङ्गने
श्लिष आलिङ्गने
नदृशः
नदृशः
निशीद्रसुभ्यः कर्तरीचम्
निःश्रीर्द्रुस्त्रुभ्यः कर्तरिच्छं
विभाषाथेक्ष्योः
विभाषाद्धेष्वयोः
लुपेश्छन्दसि
पेश्छन्दसि
नो नयति ध्वनयत्येलयत्यर्दयतिभ्यः
नो नयाति ध्वनयत्येलयत्यर्दयतिभ्यः
अस्यति वक्तिख्यादिभ्योऽङ्
अस्यति वक्तख्यादिभ्योऽङ्
लिपिचि जिह्वश्च
लिपिसिचिह्वश्च
आत्मनेपदेष्वन्यतरस्याम्
आत्मनेपदेष्वन्यतरस्याम्
उषादिभ्या त्रुदितः परस्मैपदेषु
उषादिद्यूताद्यद्रलिपितः परस्मैपदेषु
तत्शास्त्यर्थिभ्यश्च
सर्तिशास्त्यर्थिभ्यश्च
विदितो वा
ऋतो वा
जुस्तम्भो मृचु मृचु क्लुञ्चो श्विभ्यश्च
त्रैस्तम्भो मृचो स्मृचो ग्रोचो ग्लोश्चो ग्लुङ्चो श्वीभ्यश्च
कृमृदृहृगिभ्यश्छन्दसि
कृमृद्रे हरिभ्यश्छन्दसि
चिन्ते पदः
चिन्ते पदः
दीपजनबुधपूरिप्तायिप्यायिभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
दीपजनबुधपूरितायिप्यायिभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
अतः कर्मकर्तरि
च कर्म कर्तरि
दुःखश्च
दुहश्च
नरुदः
नरुदः
तपोनतापे च
तपोन्तापे च
शिन्भावकर्मणोः
क्षिङ्भावकर्मणोः
सार्वधातुके यक्
सार्वधातुके यक
कर्तरि शप्
कर्तरि शप
दिवादिभ्यश्यन्
दिवाभ्यश्चन्
वा भ्राश ब्लाश ब्रमुक्रमुक्लमोऽन्तरसि त्रुटिलशः
वा भ्राशभाषभ्रमो क्लमो त्रस्ति श्रुति लाशः
यशोनुपसर्गात्
यशोपसर्गात्
संयसश्च
संयसश्च
स्वादिभ्यश्नुः
स्वादिभ्यश्नुः
शुभश्रुच
शुभश्रुश्च
अक्षोण्यतरस्याम्
अक्षोण्यतरस्याम्
तनूकर्णे तक्षः
तनूकरणे तक्षः
रुदादिभ्यश्यः
तदाभ्यश्यः
रुधादिभ्यश्नम्
वृथाभ्यश्नम्
तनादिकृङ्भ्य उः
तनादिकृत्याहुः
दिन्विकृङ्भ्योरच
दिङ्विक्रीयोरच
क्रियादिभ्यश्ना
क्रियाभ्यश्ना
स्तम्भुस्तुम्भुस्कम्भुस्कुम्भुस्कुम्भ्यश्नुश्च
स्तम्भुस्तुम्भुस्कम्भुस्कुम्भुस्कुम्भ्यश्नुश्च
अलश्नश्चानज्जौ
अलश्नश्शनाज्झौ
छन्दसि चायजपि
छन्दसि चया जपि
लिङ्गाशिष्या लिङ्ग्याशिष्यं व्यत्ययो बहुलम्
व्यत्ययो बहुलम्
लिङ्ग्याशिष्यं
लिङ्गाशिक्ष्यम्
कर्मवत् कर्मणा तुल्यक्रियः
कर्मवत् कर्मणा तुल्यक्रियः
तपस्तपः कर्मकस्यैव
तपस्तपकर्मकस्यैव
न दुगस्नो न मां यक्षिणौ
न दुहस्नु नमां यक्षणौ
कृषिरञ्जोः प्राचांशन् परस्मै पदं च
कुशीरञ्जोः प्राच्छां श्यां परस्मै पदं च
धातोः
धातोः
तत्रोपपदं सप्तमीस्थम्
तत्रोपपदं सप्तमीस्थम्
कृदतिङ्
कृदतिम्
वासरूपो स्त्रियाम्
वासरूपो स्त्रियाम्.
So we have seen up to Sanyasascha. Then next sutra, Swadibhyaha Shnuhu. From here, Divadibhyaha Shan Pratyaya Vikalpena Bhavati for this dhatu, which has Dvadigana to Dadigana, Divadigana dhatu. And the interesting dhatu is Brahmo, for which 4 forms. 1 form is common. So therefore, Brahmati, Brahmyati, Brahmyati. See. Then Yasaha, without Upasarga, it will take Shan. First conjugation. Then Samyasascha extends the scope of the dhatu taking Shan Pratyaya with some Upasarga. Now the next one is Swadibhyashnu, for which the Anuvritti is Kartari Sarvadhatike Shap. The Apavadena Shnuhu. Kartari Sarvadhatike Shnuhu. You have to read like that. Kartari Sarvadhatike Swadibhyaha Shnuhu. So 3168 Kartari Shab Sarvadhatike. 3169 Divadibhyaha Kartari Sarvadhatike Divadibhyasham. 69. Now 73. Kartari Sarvadhatike Swadibhyashnuhu. Swadhiya. Su Adi. First dhatu is Su. First dhatu of the fifth conjugation. Sorry. Yeah, it's fifth conjugation. Yes. The fourth conjugation already we have seen. Yes. Okay. Fifth conjugation. So Shnu, content of the pratyaya is Chakara is it. Therefore, Sarvadhatuka pratyaya. Shitvat Sarvadhatuka pratyaya. Is it Krit pratyaya? Yes or no?
Not yet.
No.
Not yet means it will become later.
No, meaning because Krita thing coming later, right? It cannot be Krit.
So it is never Krit.
But this Tinshit Sarvadatkam.
Yes. Of course it's Sarvadhatukam. Shitvat Sarvadhatuka pratyaya. Content is no.
No.
Kartari Sarvadhatike coming as Anuvritti. This simple Anuvritti. Simple Vritti you can write ourselves. Kartari Sarvadhatike Swadibhyaha Dhatubhyaha Shnuhu Pratyaha Bhavati. Pratyaha Parascha. Pratyaha Paraha Bhavati. Dhatoho Paraha. The first dhatu is Su. Su Adihi Yasya Ganasya Saha Ganaha Swadi Ganaha. Panchana Vibhaktya Swadi. Like what Shabda? Haribhyaha. Swadibhyaha. Panchami Bhagavachanam. Okay. These points are common, not required. What is Sarvadhatukam? What is Kartari Prayoga? Already we have seen. The first dhatu is Shunj dhatu. Dhatu is Shunj. What is Shunj? Dhatu is Nitvat. This is a Nit dhatu. Therefore what?
It can be
Kartari Vipraye Kriya Bale
yes.
Atmanepadi. Paragami Kriya Bale Parasmepadi. Therefore the dhatu is Swaritaha Nitaha Kartara Vipraye Kriya Bale Atmanepadi. Paragami Kriya Parasmepadi. That is why it is Ubhayapadi. Remember?
Yes.
Dhatu is Ubhayapadi. Su. Therefore, Dhatu, then after that what will happen? Already we have seen. We have to prepare the Dhatu. We have to find out what Dhatu, which Gana, whether Parasmepadi or Atmanepadi, all those things we have to find. Then Dhatu is beginning with the Shakara. Therefore, Dhattvadege Shaha Saha, by that it will become Sakara, right?
Yes.
Therefore, Su. Therefore, the content of the Dhatu is Su. So, Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam will be Lat Lakara. Vartamane, let. All those things we know. We have prepared enough. All those things. What is Lakara? Vartamane, let. Anadhyatane, Lang. Anadhyatane, Bhute, Lang. Right? All those things. Anadhyatane, Lut. All the Lakaras, Ling, Lot, it's everything we have seen. Now, let Lakara. And what is Pratama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha? That's also all those Purusha, Vachan, all the Sankhya's. So, we have to apply. Vartamane, in the sense of present, let Lakara. Lakara Pratyaya, which comes, Lakara is, it's also here. It refers to, or in the place of which, Tip Pratyas comes as Adesha. Dhatoho, Paraha Pratyaya Bhavati. Lasya, by that sutra, Tiptasya Siptasta Bipasmas, this will come as Adesha. Let referring to, what is the content of let Lakara only? All the Lakara, if you take, content is Lakara. Right?
Yes.
Lakara is what? Lakara is referring to the pratyaya. But it is not, it is, that itself will not be there. It will be replaced by ting pratyaya. That's what lasya. Okay.
Okay.
Dhatoho vartamane let. Let itself is enough. We say let lakara anyway. It's funny to say like that. Lat is what? Lat itself is lakara. What is lat lakara? Anyway, we say like that. It's okay. It's not a dosha.
Okay.
Okay, vartamane lat in the sense of present. What happens? Dhatoho paraha lakara. What lakara? Lat bhavati. Lat indicates that it is present tense. That's why it's important. Lat. That it letter takara has that significance. Okay. Dhatoho vartamane lat. Lat is a pratyaya. Lat is a pratyaya, but lat in the place of lat, that is lasya, tipta, shisipta, stabik, pasmas, all those pratyaya corresponding to the purusha and vachana will come. By default, we'll take prathama purusha ekavachanam, that is tip pratyaya. So you have to write lasya. 3478 is what sutra for which anuvritti is lasya.
Yes. Yes.
Vartamane lat. So lat means nothing but lakara, lasya sthane, corresponding to purusha and vachana. These pratyas, how many pratyas? This is a 18. I mean, ubepadi. Therefore, any of the pratyas can come 18 pratyas.
Yes.
So this pratyaya. Now beyond prathama purusha ekavachanam tip pratyaya. So tip pratyaya. Pratyaya, where the pratyaya will come, dhatoha paraha. That is what we said in the beginning. Pratyaha parascha dhatoha paraha. Pratyaya is tip pratyaya. Kartari. For that only we need to know the sutra. Kartari, laha, karmani, chabhavecha, akarma kebhyaha. Kartari coming as anuvritti.
Yes.
Then it is kartari prayoga. When the lakara denotes karta, that is called kartari prayoga. Therefore, kartari prayoge and sarvadhatuka pratyaya pare, what will happen? Shap 3168. Not shap. For this, swadibhyaha shnu. Shnu will come. Apavada to shap. Where it will come after the dhatu. That is why it comes between the pratyaya. Gana vikarana. Pratyaya, prakriti pratyayoho madhye. Yat pratyayah bhavati. Tasya nama vikarana. Gana vikaranaha. Gana vikarana pratyayah. That's why vikarana pratyaya. Now, su plus shnu plus tit. What is the anga for shnu? Anga for shnu. Su. Su is that which precedes a pratyaya is the anga. I mean, the simple definition. We will see the definition later when we do anga karya. That which precedes a pratyaya is called anga. So su is the anga for shnu and su plus shnu is the anga for tit. So we have to do the karya like that, anga karya. We should not do anga karya like that. That is shnu plus tip. I will do after that shnu, not like that. Understand? First, this is the anga with regard to shnu. Therefore, first we have to do the anga karya due to shnu, anga karya with regard to shnu. Then su plus shnu. The resultant would be, I will undergo anga karya if it is possible, depending on the pratyaya, what pratyaya follows. Here, tip pratyaya, therefore, sarvadhatuka pit, anga karya is not negated. But here, it is sarvadhatuka apit. Even though the anga is ending with ik, right?
Yes.
What will happen? Apitvat, nitvat bhavati. Because it is nit, niticha by that sutra, anga karya is negated. We saw, remember yesterday, first chapter, 115, I think. Niticha, sarvadhatukam apit, nitvat bhavati. That sutra also we will see. It is sarvadhatuka. Shitva sarvadhatukam. Fine. Is it pit pratyaya? No. It is napit apit. Apit will be nitvat. Nit pratyaya negates nit, kit, git, negates anga karya. Even though anga ending with su, that is equilater, anga karya will not happen. Therefore, su plus nu, sunu. Sunu plus tip. You can write one more step. This will be sunu plus tip. Sunu is the anga with regard to tip. Anga ending with u, followed by sarvadhatuka pit pratyaya. Anga karya is not negated. Therefore, iganta anga will undergo anga karya. And anga karya is guna anga karya. U will be replaced by corresponding guna letter. What is the corresponding guna letter to ukara?
Oh.
O, right? O will come.
Yes.
Therefore, sunoti. Therefore, sunoti. Tip pratyaya causes no to no. In the case of bhavati, what will happen? Bu become bo because of shap. After that, you get bhava. Then bhava plus bhava is not aganta. The tip cannot cause any angakarya. Bhavati. Whereas here, tip causes angakarya. Tip causes that the pratyaya, shnu pratyaya, that ending in tukara to no. Therefore, no become no. You can note. Chinoti, sunoti, shaknoti. Remember,
Yes.
in the case of Bhudhatu, all the first conjugation, if you see, if is Igantanga, Angakarya will be caused by the Pratyaya itself. But here the Angakarya cannot be caused by Pratyaya because it is Apit. Same thing with fourth conjugation also. Fourth conjugation, Shan. Angakarya cannot be caused by Shan. Therefore, need to just add. And further, Angakarya cannot be caused because Shan, when you say Shya, Shya is Ya. Ya means Anga ending with A. Therefore, even when the Pratyaya is Tip Pratyaya, Pit Pratyaya, Angakarya cannot happen. That is why we have Divyati. Divdhatu plus that Pratyaya Shan, Divya plus Divyati, Sivya plus Sivyati. So like that you have. But here, tip pratyaya, tip, sip, bip in lat lakara. Not only lat lakara, other lakara, whatever the pratyaya, sarvadhika tip pratyaya will cause angakarya. Sunoti. Sunoti, what is bivachanam?
Sunutaha.
Sunutaha, because followed by tas. Tip tas. Right? Sunoti, sunutaha.
Then
Bhagavachanam,
is
sunmanti. That we will see. We have to see some rules. Then one will understand sunmanti. Okay. Just we are learning only the pratyaya, what pratyaya comes after the fifth conjugation, dhatus, roots.
That's why only Ekavachanam will have Angakarya. Dvivachanam?
Yeah, tips, yes. Sunoti, sunoshi, sunomi. Yes. Somebody ap dhatu. Ap plus shnu. Okay, here we are given example of shatranta. It's okay. This we will not see now because we need to know this ashishnu dhatu bruam that we will see later. Anyway, apnoti, you can take the lakara example, shatra example, not required now. We need to see shatranta. Ap plus shnu plus tip. Same. Ita. Su becomes sunoti. Ap dhatu will become apnoti. Apnoti, apnutaha. Apnoshi, apnomi. Like that it will happen. Okay.
Okay.
This we will see later. Not required now. We will see. Sunoti. Then what is this ani? Sunu plus tip, sunoti. Fine. What is su plus nu plus ani? Ani comes for which? Lakara. Ani, ava, ama, tu, tam, antu, tanta, ani, ava, ama. Which lakara?
Lot?
Lot lakara.
Yes.
Parasmai padi. Parasmai pada pratyaya. Su plus nu plus ani. What will happen? Ani. Is it ani pit or apit? Tell me. Ani is pit or apit?
It is because previously it was MIP, and then it is PIT because previously was MIP.
Previously it was MIP, therefore it is pit. What about ava?
Ava is apit.
And what about here?
Here is
So it's sakara only was.
it was Sakara. It is a SIP, but also SPIT because previously was
But in Lot Lakara, please note, in Lot Lakara, the pratyaya for Adantanga will go and this will be considered to be apit,
Oh, okay.
even though previously it was sip. Here it was tip, in the place of tip, two has come that we will see later. This is pit. Similarly, Lot Lakara, this ani, ava, ama, all three are pit alone.
Oh,
For ava and ama, pitvam is given by a sutra. We'll see that later. Okay. You need to know
only
which
in
is
the
pit,
Lord
which
Lakara.
only in the Lot Lakara. So you need to know what are pit, what are apit. See, for Lot Lakara, it is very clear. Lot Lakara, the pit pratyas are tip, sip, mit. These three are pit. The rest are apit.
Yes.
Then Lang Lagara, same thing.
Same.
So, that is Ekavachanam of Paraswai Pada are pit. The rest are apit. Okay.
Okay.
In the case of Lot Lagara, tip is, there is two is pit and Ani Ava is pit. Here we have four pits. Understand? This
Okay.
is not pit. Madhyam Purusha is not pit. Okay.
This Ani is pit
Hmm.
because this pratyaya lope pratyaya lakshanam.
Pratyaya
Pratyaya lope pratyaya lakshanam. Because of this, it
No,
will
no,
continue to be pit.
no. When in Lopa only we will split. Where is Lopa here? There is no Lopa.
Okay.
That Nipra undergoes some change.
Not lopa. Oh, okay.
There is no Lopa here. Ling Lakara. Ling Lakara, what are pit? Pit Pratyas. None of them is pit.
Okay.
All are apit only. Okay. No Angakaya will happen. In fact, this is a simple Lakara. Only the Anga you prepare, Anga to Anga you add, you get a form. Simple. Okay.
Okay.
Remember this. So, example here, Ani is given. Therefore, Nu will become no. Su cannot become, will not become so, because followed by Shnu, which is Apit. Therefore, Suno. Suno plus Ani,
Ayadi Sandhi.
Suno. Su plus No. Su plus Nu. Nu is, Su is the Anga, and Su plus No is the Anga for Su plus Shnu. Nu content is Nu. Su cannot undergo any Anga Karya, public following, because of following. Therefore, it is Sunu. Sunu is the Anga with regard to Ani. Therefore, Sunu will become Suno. U will be replaced by O. Now, Suno after Angakarya. O plus A. We can do Ayadi Sandhi. Echaha Ayavayavaha Sunavani. Sunavani and Ava will become
Oh,
Ava Ama. What is the form? Sunavava Sunavama. Understand?
Yes.
okay.
Ani, Ava, Ama. Same thing. Ani, Ava,
Ava,
Ama.
Ama.
What will happen? Sunavani, then
Vava,
Suna,
Sunavam.
Vava, Suna, Vama. Same thing. Okay.
Okay.
Then this and all we will see later. We have to see other forms, but I'm just giving a simple form. Other forms, I mean, other, that and all we have to see later. You have got optional form for Ajanta Dhatushu that we will see later. Akaradi Pratyaye Pare. All these are given, just you won't be able to understand now. We will see fifth conjugation. The time we will do. This example, I will remove it, not required for us. Then next sutra, Shruvaha Shrucha. What is Shruvaha? Interesting. It is Shru Dhatu. We see. It is Dhatu is Shru. Which conjugation Shru is? Shru is first conjugation Dhatu. Shravanam, we say, right?
Yes.
First conjugation. Shru Dhatu. Shru Dhatu, first conjugation. What happens? Okay, what is Shruvaha? Shruvaha, Shrucha. Shruvaha, what vibhakti, what vachanam? 3174.
Pachami.
Huh?
This is
Panchami.
Panchami.
It is in the place of Shruvaha.
No, no.
Shri comes, therefore, how can be Panchami?
It's not.
6.
Shashti Bhakti, that is.
Shashti,
But how do you get
yes.
Shashti? Shashti Bhakti. Dhatu is Shru. If it is like Guru, Guravaha. Right? If it is like, what is the Pradipadikam of this? Shruvaha. Shru is like Ukaranta Shabda. Suppose if you take like Guru Shabda.
Yes.
Guru
Then
is
Shashti
not
Bhakti Ekavachanam will be Guroho.
Gurohu. Yes.
Yeah. But it has not become Guroho. Here it has become Shruvaha. By Shruvaha. So here, Shru is, we can say that it is Dhatu plus it's given Shruvaha Shnu Pratyaya Bhavati. What is that? Shruvaha is like the Shabda. Shabda. One minute. What is that Shabda? What is the... This is 3-1. Just a minute. Let me check how it did get. Somehow I forgot. Shruvaha. Three, 1, 24. Pamanta Sandekaha. Pramanta. Okay.
Only Only the glove will make lava.
I was thinking, Shru become. I'll check my notes. I have to check my notes. I would have written somewhere. Where I wrote it. Okay. I'll let you know. Okay, laptop. That becomes Shivaha. It is Shashti Bhakti Ekavach. Here, we also hear there's no explanation given for that. Tara plus Ru. Rus, Dhatoho, Shri Adeshaha. Okay. So it is. Okay. I'll find out and tell you. Shruvaha is Shashti Bhakti. Shruvaha Shricha. Here also Pratama Bhakti. But Panini Maharshi did not give Visarga, which is his choice. Okay. Pratama Bhakti, Rikaranta Shri. You cannot decline like Mitra. Okay. See, these do not follow our the Shabda rule. This Pratyas and all will not follow our Shabda rules. So, Lupta Pratamanta Nirdeshaha, we say. Pratama Bhakti, Shri. Then you may ask, it should not be like Pitra Shabda. There is no such a rule for the words of the Sutra. You don't have to follow the rules. Okay. In the language, if we have Pratipadikam, then Pratipadikam, that when we decline, it has to follow the rules. Okay, but here we don't have any such a niyama. Therefore, we can go by what Panini Maharishi, whatever he says, that is fine. So we cannot say this should not be like this or like that. This is how it is. Pratamanta, Pratama Vibhakti, Pratyaya is Luptaha, it is gone. Lopaha, Lupta Pratamanta Nirdeshaha, we say. Okay. Then, in the place of Shru, which is first conjugation, there will be replacement of Shru. Shru is, that's what I have written, Shru is conjunct, Chakara plus Repa plus Ukaranta Shabda. Okay. Whereas Shru is Chakara and followed by R. So Shru will be replaced by Shru and Chakarat. Even though the Dhatu is first conjugation, Chakarat, Pratyaya Shnu will be ordained. First conjugation. Though the Dhatu is first conjugation, it will not take Shap by this sutra. It will take Shri alone. It will take Shnu alone. Shruvaha, Shri Cha. Shri Cha, Chakarat. It will take what Pratyaya? Not Shap. It will take Shnu. Understand? That is what it says. Pratyaya, the Dhatu as well as the Pratyaya, both are replaced. Dhatu is replaced, Shu Dhatu replaced by Shu, and Pratyaya is replaced by Shnu. Okay. Sarva Dhatu ke Kartari, Pratyaya pare, Shnu, Dhatu ho, Paraha, Shru Dhatu ho, Paraha, Shnu Pratyaya bhavati. Tata Shu Dhatu ho, Shri Adeshaha vidiyate. Dhatu Shru also will be replaced by Shri. It's a rule.
Okay.
No. Therefore, what will happen? Shri plus Nu plus Tip. Shri plus Nu plus Tip. Shrinoti, not Shrunoti. Many people, they pronounce wrongly. They say Shrunoti, not Shrunoti. Shrinoti. When it comes to Shruti, that is Shruti. Shru plus Ta Pratyaya, Shru plus Ardhatuka Pratyaya, there nothing will happen. Here we are talking about Kartari Sarvadhatuke, only we are talking about. Shrutaha, Shrutihi, Shrutavan, that is Ta Pratyaya, Tavatu Pratyaya. all those things, that is okay. This is Adadhatuka Pratyaya. Okay. So in that case, it's not a problem. Whereas here, when a Savadhatuka Pratyaya follows, Dhatu is replaced by Shri, and Ganava we can also become Shnu. Therefore, you have Shrinoti, Shrinutaha, Shrinvanti. That's how it happens. Okay. You can
Understood.
note this. I have written that Shri, or somewhere, I'll check that and tell you how Shri becomes. Okay.
This
I think that
this
Vakara may be iterator. Huh? Yes, sir.
Shri is supposed to be Shri.
Huh?
One Visarga is there. Shri.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is there one
That is
Visarga that?
where Visarga here.
Yes.
That is, yeah, that will become Lopaha. That's a Panay Maharshi has not given. It is his choice. Okay. You cannot ask why. Sautram. Sautram is like Veda.
Yes.
It's like Veda. You say Sautram. Chandavat. So that Visarga is not there, you cannot point out his dosha. Huh? He can use. Okay.
He can use, but it should be converted to Shrishcha, right? Sandhi.
Not required. Even if there is no Visarga, Visarga Lopa has happened, then why is Bishashta? No. You cannot find fault with what he had Pani Maharshi written. Okay. Lupta Pratamanta Nirdeshaha, we say. Pratama is, Pratyaya is Lopa for this. So we need to understand. Okay. Right.
Sure.
I think this Vakara could be a It letter. Just Pratipadikam could be Shru. Vakara may be for Ucharanartham. So if you take like that Marutaha, Shruvaha, no problem. Hmm? Why Vakara is a cannot ask? He wants to present like that, okay. Why not? So it can be like that. Okay, so that is his wish. You cannot ask why Vakara is there. But anyway, I will check that, confirm that. If you take Shruv as the Vakaranta as the Pratipadikam, then like Marutaha, Shruvaha, that would be like that. Okay. So therefore, Shrunoti, Shrunoti, Shrunutaha, Shrunvanti, Rupam. Shru Dhatoho, Shru Adeshaha. This will happen only when Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows. In other places, it will not happen. We have seen Shruyate Karmani Prayoga, Trutaha, Trutavan, etc. Okay. This is important. You need to know the forms of the Dhatu. Shrunoti, Shrunutaha, Shrunvanti, Shrunoshi, Shrunutaha, Shrunuta. Shrunomi, Shrunvaha, Shrunvaha. Ashrunot, Ashrunutam, Ashrunvan, Nanglakara. So like that you need to remember. Okay. Fine. The next one is
this pratyaya that will make the shruti.
Shruti. Yeah, Shru plus.
There is one pratyaya will make the sti, right? Shruti.
Tin pratyaya. One pratyaya, Srilinga pratyaya is there. Tin pratyaya. From like buddhihi, matihi, nitihi, natihi, gatihi. All are like mati shabda. Tin pratyaya. Dhatu plus tin pratyaya and krit pratyaya. By that it happens.
My question is, this shruti, which is the best translation?
Translation.
Because some people will say shruti, the one that it will be heard. Well, the one that will be heard.
Shruyate iti shrutihi. That which is heard, it's called Shruti. What Vitpatti? That which is heard, Karmani Vitpatti. Shruyate anena iti. Shruyate anena iti also Shruti. Why not? That by which is heard also Shruti. But that meaning that meaning is not for this thing. Shruyate iti Shrutihi. You can say Shruyate Rishibihi, by rishis, which is heard, Ishvarat, Shruyate iti Shrutihi.
Nice. But then my question is, because this Shrutihi, it has the same meaning as Shrutaha. Like,
Shrutaha is that which is heard. Yes. Shrutaha is Pullinga and Shrutihi is Strilinga. And we have this Tin Pratyaya Bhave also. Bhave. Bhave means that will denote only the pure listening action. Listen, only action alone. Bhave arte Tin Pratyaha Bhavati Dhatoho. Okay.
okay.
Shutaha means that which is heard. Of course, Shutaha is Pullinga. Shrutihi is because of the Srilinga. Shutaha has got the equivalent Srilinga also, Shuta, and equivalent Napumsakalinga, Shutam, right?
Yes.
So Shutaha, suppose if you say Shutaha, referring to what is heard, that gender is Pullinga. So, like for example, Grantaha Shuta, Gita Shuta, and Gitam Shrutam. The Grantaha, the text is heard, listen to. Gita Srilinga, Gita Shuta, Gitam Shrutam. All these are Kridanta only. All these are Krit Pratyaya.
Understood.
Shrutihi is Tin Pratyaya, this is Ta Pratyaya. Shuta you get, out from that we can derive words in all the genders, whereas Shrutihi is only in Srilinga. Tin Pratyaya, only it will be in Srilinga.
Okay.
Understand?
Understood.
It is not in any other linga. Tin Pratyaya. Krit Pratyaya. This is also Ardha Dhatuka Kit. Nakara is Italet. The content and the Kakara is it. Content is T. As we have content of Ta is Ta. So here it is T. Okay. Understand?
Oh, okay. Understood.
Shruyate iti Shrutihi, Smaryate iti Smriti. That which is remembered. It's called Smriti.
But
Okay.
for Manati,
Huh?
for Matihi,
Matihi is Mandatu.
it's not Manyate, right? Meaning
No.
not the
Manyate
one that
iti
is
Matihi. That which is Manyate iti Matihi. Or we can Manyate Anena iti. That by which something is thought of. What? Karana Vyutpatti. By the
okay.
Buddhi. The
Understood.
mind is the Matihi is the mind by which something is thought of. Manyate Anena iti Matihi.
Understood.
This is Karanam. Mati, Buddhihi, Buddhadhatu. Buddhyate Anena iti Buddhihi. Buddhi is Karanam. Right? All those are Vyutpatti. That when we study Kridanta, then we will know that time. Okay. Now, next sutra is Akshonyatarasya. What is Akshonyat? Akshadhatu. Akshadhatu, which conjugation? Akshadhatu, actually it is ninth conjugation. Okay. Ninth conjugation. Sorry, ninth conjugation also it is there, but it is not ninth conjugation. Akshaha Anyatarasyam. Akshadhatu also optionally will get Shnu. So Akshadhatu, first conjugation. Okay. Will get optionally Shnu. Therefore, we will have two forms. Aksh plus Shab plus Tit. You will get Akshati, first conjugation. Optionally, the Ganavikana will be Shnu. Therefore, you will have A plus No becomes Akshno, Akshnoti. Understand?
Mati.
So, you will have two forms. Anyatarasya. Anyatarasya means optional. Therefore, optionally, you will have one more form. Akshnoti or Akshati.
In this
Anyataras.
Aksh, what's the meaning of Aksh?
Akshadhatu. Aksh means Vyapto. I have written here before. Sense of pervading. And also remember, this is Udit Dhatu. Udit, I don't know whether I taught you about that. Udit. Sorry. Go on. Udit Dhatu. Udit Dhatus are, you know, Udit Dhatus are, they are Anit. Udit. Udit Dhatus
Yes.
are, yes. Udit Dhatus are Set Dhatus. Vikalpena. Udit Dhatus are, I think, yeah. They will be, wait. Anyway, that is not required for us. I just remember, morning I was taking a Sananta class. So there it was. It came Udit. So it is Vikal, it is a wait dot. Udit Dhatus are wait. With regard to Tapratya, it will be Anit. Anyway, it's not required for us, don't worry. So we have these two forms.
This akshnoti should not be murdanya.
Yes. Oh, yeah, sorry, yeah. Because of Kakarasha, this will undergo. Yes, of course. Mudanya. Because why? Rashabhyam non asavana pade. Because Kakara, Shakara is there. Therefore, next one step will be Akshnoti. Yes. Okay, this is what the sutra says. Kartari sarvadhatike akshadhatu, which is in the first conjugation, bhavadiganasya dhatuhu, no prakana pratyaya vikalpena bhavati. You will have two forms. With shap, one form. With shnu, another form. Akshnoti, akshnutaha, akshnoti, akšnutaha, what will be the Bhagavachanam? Akshanti or akshnuvanti. That akshnvanti, how it comes, we will see. We have got another rule is there that we will see when we decline this dot, derive this dot. Then tanu karane takshaha. Tanu karana means, takshati. Takshakaha means, what is takshaka? Takshakaha.
Rashakaha is carpenter.
Carpenter, exactly. That's from this dhatu only. Taksh means tanu karana means sharpening. This is also udit dhatus. When we were reading Dhatu Pata, that time I was telling Udit Dhatus will for Nishta Pratyaya, it will be Anit. I don't know whether you remember. We did actually. But other we did Nishta Pratyaya or Lakara. I don't remember. Anyway, we did. We studied no all the Dhatus. Many Dhatus we studied. We will do that later.
Yes.
Udit Dhatus for Nishta Pratyaya, it will be Anit. Just a small point, if you can remember, it's good. Otherwise, also find later, we'll see. So like Taksh plus Tapratyaya. Udit dhatus are wait. Okay. Ukara is it in which dhatu, Udit dhatus are wait. But with regard to Tapratyaya, it will be anid. With regard to Tapratyaya, it will be anid. Therefore, what will be the rupam? What will be the rupam? Anid means no ittagama. Therefore, taksh plus ta.
Takshplata.
Therefore, what will happen?
Takshta.
Takshta. What happens there?
It will be replaced by mudanya.
What rule is that?
This is shnashtuhu.
Therefore, it becomes taksh. Kakara plus shakara plus ta. What will happen to the kakara, then followed by shakara, then ta? Before we do, so here what happens?
Okay.
Skogho sanyogadyogo antecha. Remember, the conjunct consonant at the end, the beginning of the conjunct consonant, if it's sakara or kakara, at the end of the padam or followed by jal, that will become lopaha. We have seen, I think so. That sutra, did we see? I think.
Can you repeat the sutra?
Okay, I'll tell you the number. You can check Vachaspati. You can ask Devi whether we have seen or not. I'm not sure. I tell you the number. 8 to 29. Have you seen that
Oh,
sutra?
yes. Yes,
Ah.
Sutra, yes. Devi
Scholars
said yes.
What is sutra? Read.
Skoho
Skoho.
sanyogadara. Skoho sanyogadyotarante cha.
Yeah, we have seen. Okay, very good. I don't know. It is at the end of the padam or followed by jal. Here jal follows. Therefore, sakara or kakara at the beginning of the conjunct, what will happen? That will become lopaha, that you apply. After that, you apply tooth form. Therefore, you get
Oh, wow.
tashta.
Tashta.
Similarly, aksha will become ashta, previous dhatu. And tavat will become ashtavat. Ashtavan, ashtavanto, ashtavantaha. Tashtavan, tashtavanto, tashtavantaha. Understand?
Understood.
Yeah, this is interesting. Tapratya. So small information. Udi dhatus are Ved dhatu, but with regard to Nishta Pratya, it will be Anit. You can remember that. Okay.
Okay.
Incidental point. It's not, even if otherwise we'll see that. So now, Tanu Karane Takshaha. What is Anuvritti for this sutra? Which Gana is the Taksh dhatu? Taksh dhatu belongs to first conjugation. Vadigana. Then what is coming as Anuvritti? Here also Anyatasyam. So Taksh dhatu also will take what? Oh, I think he has left. Okay.
Shnu pratyay.
I didn't see the time. I didn't see the time. Taksh dhatu, first conjugation. Optionally, it will take shnu. Therefore, you will have two forms. Takshati. Takshakaha takshati. Carpenter, no carpents. And or
Okay.
shnu, when shnu comes, it will be takshnoti.
Oh,
Two forms. Right?
understood.
And another thing is important. Please note, there is a dhatu, tanu karne one dhatu is there. There is another dhatu, taksh dhatu is there, which means tvachane. For that dhatu, this will not come. Please note. That is why he says, for tanu karne, this will come. Vikalpena, first conjugation dhatu, tanu karne, vikalpena, shno pratyaya bhavati. Whereas another dhatu is the tvachane, touch to cover. For that, there is no vikalpa. It will be takshati only. No business there.
Sorry, we are looking at the Dhatu Pata.
Looking at the Sutrapata.
Sorry, yes, Sutrapada. We are looking at the Sutrapada.
Tanu Karane means in the sense of sharpening, the dhatu taksh is used, and that alone will take optionally shnu. Therefore, two forms. Okay. Whereas another dhatu is the taksh dhatu, which means tvachane to cover. Same conjugation, first conjugation, that will not take optionally shnu. It will have only shap. You'll have takshati only. Okay.
Oh, understood.
Fine. I think you will stop here. All these are just introduction only. We will not see the derivations. Derivations we will see when we study. Yeah, Anga Karya, Anga Sanya, Anga related Anga Karya, Sutras, etc. Okay.
Okay.
We will stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Guru Pyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada. Thank you so much. See you.
Peace.